Hello, this is Dia. Welcome to Clinivance Labs. Today we'll learn how to get certified in Power BI for beginners through the Clinivance Labs website. First, open Google Chrome and type Clinivance Labs in the search bar. Click on the official Clinivance Labs website. On the left side, you'll see a few options. Click on Communities and then select Pharma Jobs and Certificate. Scroll down to find the course titled Power BI for Beginners and click on Get Access. This will redirect you to the course page. You will be prompted to create a new account. Enter the details and create an account. Once your account is created and the setup is complete, click on Start Learning. Fill in the details and answer a few questions to go to the dashboard. Click on Go to My Learning dashboard and click on Start Learning. You'll now have access to a series of self-learning videos, around 8 in total. Go through each lesson at your own pace and complete all the modules. Once all the lessons are finished, you will be able to download your course completion certificate directly from the platform. And that's how you can easily complete and earn your certificate for Power BI for beginners through Clinivance Labs. Thank you.